Hey, what's up guys? It's Jason from Eustace Roofing. Wanted to take a second to show you some detail work. If you're looking for a metal roof, you're gonna wanna watch this. These are some details that cause people problems in the future if they get a metal roof and they got a contractor that aren't looking at the details. I can't tell you how many metal roofs I look at that are only a few years old, but have a lot of problems with them. They end up taking the roof off and replacing it because it didn't get put on right. If you're going metal, you're gonna spend the extra money. Don't go over the shingles first of all. Tear the roof completely off. Dry it in with what we call a high temp peel and stick, which is behind me. It's made to go behind metal. Super important part of the process. If you're gonna put a lifetime roof on, but a cheap underlayment, you're gonna have a lot of problems. I can tell you that right now. I go to those calls every day, so I wanna save you guys from that headache. It's not that I wanna do your job. I just wanna save you from that headache because it's expensive. It's a financial strain on a lot of families that thought they were getting a great roof and they have problems. So let's go over a few of the details so that you can understand as a homeowner what goes into a metal roof. Now, this roof here is standing seam. And so right here is our drip edge that we put on. And we like to put a little piece of peel and stick on it when we're all done, but it's not necessary. You don't have to do it. It's just a little extra protection. We have peel and stick up here that runs under it also. But if you look at this, this is a lip. It goes, see how my finger goes under, comes out and over? That lip is 1.5 inches, and this panel hooks to that. And that's what makes it look really nice and clean on the end here, and also adds a lot of strength and stability to the panel. Then over here is what you call your nail strip. Show you guys. This is where your screws go in. So this is a panel that's no exposed screws, so when you're done, it looks like that. No exposed screws. That's super important if you're going with standing seam because you don't have any neoprene or anything like that can wear out. Just makes for a really, really nice roof system and clean look. Hold on one second. I'm gonna show you guys an area of the roof that is super important that you won't see again once the roof is finished. Right here, this is some flashing detail. One of the things I like about this is this lip comes around and hooks again, like we were talking about, runs up and it has another hook in there. What's really cool is our hook is built in. This is all one piece of metal. And because we have a CNC machine, we can design some really cool stuff. Usually there's a piece of metal that does this, then this is a separate piece, and you have two pieces. We were able to do it all in one, and then we're able to fold this so that you don't have any holes over here in the corners. This is where you'll get your leaks every time. Now, when we're all done, there's another piece of metal that's gonna come through here, and this will all be hidden. But this is the time of the job that the project manager should be here to show you the detail work, and we need to inspect it to make sure it's perfect so you don't have problems in the future, because once this is covered up, you'll never know. So those are a few of the little details that we look for, because we wanna provide you with a lifetime roof. That's what you're paying us to do. That's what we want to give you. Also, here's a section that we haven't done yet. And so you can see the Z-bar. And here's a piece of that metal I was just showing you. And it slides up. Hold on one second. It slides up and hooks onto that metal and crimps. And then here, your panel will slide in there underneath here and hook and go up the roof. These are really cool because, again, it's a one piece of metal, and I mean, we're just really into what we do. We really like it. So if we can make it one piece instead of two piece, and it can benefit you, the homeowner, why not? And that also makes us a custom metal roofer. We're not just your average everyday roofer. And why is it important to be a custom metal roofer? Because we have all the tools that we need to do the job and to make it precise for your house. And I believe that every metal roofer should have all the tools and equipment to do your job. That's important because it shows that that roofer is invested in what he does. We have all the equipment because we love what we do and we plan on doing it for a long time, and we want to be the best. So if there's something out there that can make us better and make our employees have an easier job and give you a better product, that's what we want to do. So this is kind of some details. Metal roof system, standing seam. I'm gonna show. This is what it looks like. This is before. This is once the panel piece goes on here, the transition. And then this is what the finished product will look like. Really cool system. So guys, if you're looking for a metal roof system, I always recommend standing seam. There also is multi-rib, some other panels out there. They're good products too. This is more of a lifetime roof.